Hello, my name is Malte. Welcome to today's episode of 1 Minute Magic, the show where I will be teaching you magic basics in 1 minute, today featuring the Charliard cut. So let's jump right into it. For visualization purposes, I changed the perspective a little bit, so let's start our minute right now. Alright, so this is what the Charliard cut looks. Here's your hand holding. You're gonna hold in an advanced dealer's grip, so you got your regular dealer's grip like this, but you're gonna enhance it, lift up and go like this. So you have a little bit of space here, index finger on the top, two fingers on the side, pinky on bottom, thumb on the other side. Now you're gonna connect your thumb to around half of the deck and let the other half drop. That's your first step. Now what you're gonna do is take your index finger, push from the bottom and lift it on top. That's your full Charliard cut. Practice this first part where you only use the top of your thumb to connect to half of the deck and let the other half drop. And now you only take your index, push upwards, and that's your finished Charliard. And there you have it, guys, the Charliard cut explained in 1 minute. You can do this with both hands if you practice enough. Also, a variation of the Charliard cut is the revolution cut. If you want to see that in a future tutorial, let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you hated it, thumbs down. And please consider subscribing. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.